Here, the game which you can see this is created by me on 5 hours. Interesting, isn't it? First thing is that why I am creating videos on these boring game development tutorial videos. Sorry, this video is for game inspiration. That is how you can also create a game, 3D game. Let's begin with our video. Before some weeks I got selected as a developer in any XYZ company. So they give me a task to create some 3D shooting games. I will be honest, I am not a game guy or expert in game development, but I can try, so I created this. First thing is that I hate to create a video this way, without my voice. I am using this for audio. So let's play this game. The first thing I want to tell you is to go and download standard assets from the asset store. It is free. Why standard assets? Because here you will get all the standard things that you need to create 3D games. I don't want to talk about that anymore. Here is a first-person prefab. This is common for first-person shooting games. I use that in my game. Just need to drag that prefab to our hierarchy and be done. First, I am using here panel from standard assets. And first-person prefab from the standard asset. Here FPS controller, you can see that is created by me. What I did here, I placed a gun model near the FPS controller camera. I added some particle effects on the gun for shooting. There are a lot of things to tell, but I don't want to make videos long. So in short, in standard assets, I will pick trees and houses. I created a script for gun shooting and weapons. Do you know nav mesh agent, which I am using here in Unity? If no, don't worry, I will not tell you, haha lol. Nav mesh agent works like RE, which you can use in your game for navigating in map or area. To use it, just add nav mesh agent component, where you want to use it. In the navigation tab, select your level, make sure every land is static, set destination in the script, and done. When I will play, then that cylinder fill follow me. If you want to know more about that, comment me down on the description. After adding more stuff and sound effect and particle effect, I got this. Anyone will think how he took that much time to do a simple thing, but in reality when you will do, then you will know, actually on scripting it took time. This video is short. For any of your thoughts, let me know in the comment section. Reminder time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.